So he pulls all the money out of the account, and I am left stranded in South Bend, Indiana. I had no job, no family. I was living with people that I barely knew. The emotions were so high, the anger, the frustration, the sorrow, the loneliness. I was just broken. Early on in my divorce, I was looking for the right knight in shining armor. My assumption was that I had just chosen wrong, and all I needed to do was choose right, and happiness and joy and all of those things that the Disney movies sold me would come to pass. And I was expecting them to meet something in me that only God could meet. A lesson that I learned was that I could find out who I was. I had really always defined myself by the relationships around me. So I was my parents' daughter, I was my brother's sister. And so here I was, a single mom, which was mom to my daughter. But it was really the first opportunity that I took to figure out who I was. Like, what did I like? What were my dreams? What kind of stuff did I want to do? I figured out I was brave. I figured out I liked jumping out of airplanes. And I bungee jumped. And I discovered that I had this bit of a rebel in me. And it was fun. We can disqualify ourselves. And we can say, well, because we've went through a divorce, because we're a single parent, because we're overwhelmed, that we will never offer the world anything good again. It's just not true. So our history can either shape us and give us a story that we get to share with other hurting people, or it defines us and we disqualify ourselves because of our story. And our God, He wants to shape us and He wants to bring beauty. It's what He does. It's what He loves to do.